Hello and good morning. Courtney here, back with another merch search. Today we'll be walking around, checking out some stores inside Citywalk. Let's get going. Alright, the first store that we are going into today is the Universal Studios store, right in the middle of Citywalk. Here's a Halloween Horror Nights zip-up hoodie that goes for $60. This is the front, and this is the back. It is the same as the t-shirt. And you can also have a matching bag. There's a zipper. I'm sure it's a drawstring bag, I think. And it is $28. A tumbler I'm going to show you in just one moment that you can purchase a freestyle souvenir and you can drink it all day. And here's what it looks like. It has some of the things that you can see. Some of the houses from Halloween Horror Nights. And it goes for $28.99. And for $16 you can get a mug of the same design. For $45 you can get a Chucky mask. It's pretty big. Here's it the size of my hand. They also have shot glasses with the same design that we have been seeing. And this one goes for $32. And for $9, same design, but a magnet. And here's a poster for $18. For $15, we have a Scare Zone cup, little glass cup, some characters on it. Here's more Scare Zone merch. This is a hoodie that is, you know, black and sort of gray tie-dye. This is the front. And here is the back. I really like this one. Obviously, same design as the glass cup, but I like it more on the hoodie. Here we have a ladies cut Halloween Horror Nights t-shirt. I really like the way that this is cut, probably because I'm a lady. This shirt goes for $33, if you can see that. Here's the front, and I don't think there's anything on the back. Oh, no, there is something on the back. Here is the back of the shirt. I like this shirt a lot. For $6, we have a Chucky coaster. You can see it's a coaster. This t-shirt goes for $33, and it is blacklight reactive apparel. Here's the back, same thing as the women's cut, and the front, same thing. For $15, we have a Chucky patch set. It has 3 patches. And here's a Chucky pin for $18. Honestly, it is pretty big, so it makes sense that it is $18. For $30, we have a Chucky necklace. For $27, we have a matte black water bottle from, of course, Stranger Things, Hawkins High Club, Hellfire. I really like this. Here is the other side. And here is a shirt, kind of a baseball tee cut, that goes for $37. Another Hellfire Club. And for $65, we have a Hellfire Club backpack with a whole bunch of cool little details to it. This $75 long sleeve shirt glows in the dark. Here is the front. And the sleeves. Ooh, I like this. And here's the back. Never go alone with a bat. With a bat on it. For $15, we have more patches. This one comes with 5. It goes for $15, like I said. This will always be my favorite style for Halloween Horror Nights. Here are some more patches. Again, $15. I just love this style. Love the pumpkin on it. And for $12, here's a multi-use decal sheet with a whole bunch of those cool pumpkins I just absolutely love. Got some rats and bats and crows. Here is a fake little succulent. This one goes for $27. I think this is a cute idea. Here's a picture frame that goes for $30. More of the same design that I love. Here's a mug that goes for $28. It is matte, feels very nice. Scary Halloween, not Happy Halloween. And here is the other side, all the way through. Ooh, I really like this one. And for $12, some glasses. I always love these glasses. Cool. Here is a hat that I definitely want. That goes for $28. And of course, you know that I love this bag. It goes for $75. Some extra details on it. Got a little bat on the side. And, you know, this comes out and down, and a little zipper around here. Pretty cool. Here we have a Minion Frankenstein that glows in the dark. It goes for $25. And this is children's size. And if you know me, you know I love Frankenstein. So of course, I love this hat. It goes for $28. And this dead little teddy bear goes for $20. And for a whopping $50, we have some Minion monsters. This is again for children. And $50 for them to wear it. Here's a Simpson shirt going for $27. Conserve water, drink beer. For $60, we have a Bart Simpson's fanny pack. He's riding skateboards all over it. And it's honestly pretty big. It's a pretty big bag. Pretty big for a fanny pack. And for $86, we have a backpack. If your kid's going back to school and he likes Bart Simpson, you can get this for him. Or her. Or if you're old and you want a backpack, that's cool. You can also get a Duff Beer Quality Control work shirt. And this goes for $65. Pretty cool. For $82, we have an E.T. Loungefly bag. He's in his little basket, and he's got his red hood on. And also for $82, a Jaws backpack. He's sort of peeking out there, got a zipper. The girl swimming. Yeah, pretty cool. Here we have some house appetizer plates, 2 for $20. Some Hufflepuff, some Ravenclaw over here. And here is Gryffindor and Slytherin. For $30, we have a little note-taking set with some pens. Watch out for jumping frogs. Got the chocolate frog all over it from Harry Potter. And you have a pen, notebook, some little tiny notepads. And for $29, we have this cute little bowl you can put some treats in. Again, $28. And here is a chocolate frog plate for $17. And lastly, from the chocolate frog collection is this purse. It is a crossbody, cute little golden frog. I like this a lot. And the next store we are going into is, of course, Universal Legacy Store. We have some more Halloween Horror Nights stuff in here. Here is a long sleeve t-shirt with all the monsters. A whole bunch of people on it, and it goes for $40. This is the back. And this is the front. Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights. Ooh, and also on the sleeves, we got some more characters. For $45, we have a collectible pin set. This is very hefty. Some good quality pins in here. For $45, here's a crossbody bag. You can see the little crossbody thing right there, strap. It's got some bloat on it. And the Halloween Horror Nights characters. Here is a really creepy t-shirt going for $30. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about this, but I'm a little scared. And for $9, here is the same exact design on a magnet. More glass cups. This one is going for $17 all the way around. That is scary. More Halloween Horror Nights. Here is a hat going for $30. I like this design. It's got some red stuff. Red thread. For $40, we have a Bride of Frankenstein pillow. Little cushion. Go over to this section of the store. Look at all these t-shirts. I love them. Let's talk about them. This bluish green color is very pretty for the creature from the Black Lagoon. And it goes for $30. Here is the Wolfman, again $30. Next to two t-shirts as well will be $30. But I just really like the design of these. I like that he's sort of coming out of the edges, coming out towards you. Got some scratch marks. And we have the Mummy in a nice orange color, again coming out after you. And lastly we have Dracula with, of course, red background of the t-shirt. My favorite is the creature from the Black Lagoon. This will probably be my favorite merch of the day. For $25 you can get a beanie that looks like the Bride of Frankenstein's hair. If you want to match with your partner, you can wear a Frankenstein beanie. Not the bride, but the actual Frankenstein. Just has little patches on the side. Each of these wood magnets go for $12. We have Frankenstein, the creature. We have the Bride of Frankenstein, Wolfman, Dracula, and of course the creature from the Black Lagoon. Ooh, and then here is the Mummy. For $37 we have a Gryffindor t-shirt. Courage, determination, and bravery. Again for $37, here is a Slytherin, ambition, cunning, and pride. And Ravenclaw is of course wisdom, learning, and wit. And of course, my dad's favorite, Hufflepuff, patience, dedication, and loyalty. You can also get a bag to match your t-shirt. Here is Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff. And if you wanted to match even more, they have mugs. This one goes for $20. For $68 we have some Harry Potter. These are called belt bags, not fanny packs, but a Harry Potter belt bag. And here is the Hufflepuff. Here is Ravenclaw. Again, it is $68. I'm sorry, I actually misspoke. These are $58. Consider that a percentage off. Here's Slytherin. The reason why I decided to go to Citywalk today and do a merch search is because Jimmy Buffett passed away. Rest in peace. We're going to look at some Margaritaville merch. Go look at some fun t-shirts, cups, and all the things. All for Jimmy Buffett. This margarita glass cup goes for $15. Got the margarita logo with a little parrot on it. Here is a straw cup that goes for $17. It's fine. Oh, sorry. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Of course that's what it says. Margaritaville. And here is a It's 5 o'clock somewhere Margaritaville Orlando coaster that goes for $6. For $25 you have a no shoes, no shirt, no problem t-shirt. This is the back. And here is the front. For $25, another t-shirt, Margaritaville, changes in latitudes, changes in attitudes. There we go. And here is the front. We got some shot glasses over here. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Right, Rick? Right, Rick? Here is a Margarita retirement plan t-shirt. Growing older, but not up. There we go. Not growing up. Not for pirates. That's the back, and here is the front. You can get a magnet to match for $11. And a keychain for $13. For $40, we have a tie-dye Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville t-shirt. This is the front. And the back is just plain old tie-dye. For $30, we have a women's t-shirt, salty like my margarita. This shirt is really soft. here is a Margaritaville beach bag. This bag goes for $55. Got some shoes, and the shoes have little buttons. Really cute. For $37, I'm the woman to blame. Margaritaville Orlando. In pink tie-dye, that's the front. The back is just a normal tie-dye. For $25, time flies when you're having rum. I like this design. And here is the front. Just a Margaritaville. Little design. These Margaritaville hats go for $32. This button-up Hawaiian t-shirt goes for $85. I really like this. Here is the back. And the front. This button-up goes for $72. But I really like this. It's also very soft. I like the design on it. This button-up goes for $85. Here's the front. And here's the back, the best part. It's 5 o'clock somewhere with a little parrot. For $22, we have a cheeseburger plushie. A cheeseburger in paradise. You know what I mean? This one is probably my favorite shirt. Son of a Sailor Saloon. I love ships like this. A design like this is very nice for me. And here is the front. The shirt goes for $28. It's very soft as well. Alright, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have a good one.